point is our class for today. Today is a Precalculus class. I'm going to solve one problem to show what I mean this class. Write a quadratic functions from its vertex and other point. For instance, what is the vertex? Vertex form a parabola that opens up or down is in this way. Y equals this is our formula. This is our formula, very important formula. Y, this is the formula, a x minus h to the second power plus k. All right, so the vertex here, the vertex is h k. Also, if 8, this is greater than 0, parabola opens up. If 8 is less than 0, parabola opens down. Okay, that's very important concept to review. Actually, the most important thing is this formula. This formula you need to remember all the time. It's y equals 8 times x minus h to the second power plus k, right? So this is very important. Keep in your mind this concept. Also, the vertex is right here. Vertex is the vertex is hk. You have in your mind the concept is very simple to solve this problem. Okay, next step, solve. A parabola opens up or down, has a vertex 0, 0, passes through 10, 5. So write its equation in vertex form. So that formula is y equals 8 times x minus h to the second power plus k. Right? That's the first step. Next step, plug it in h equals 0 and k. So h equals 0, k equals 0. Right? So you that you are going to have here. I'm gonna write right here equals it's going to be 8 times x minus 0, all right, to the second power plus 0. We have the data right here. Next step to simplify here is going to be a equals, so it's going to be equals a x to the second power, right? So now next step, now use the other point, this point. Now here, on the parabola, to solve for 8. All right, so in that case, it's going to be here 5 equals 8 times 10 to the second power. Here is plug it in here. Plug in. So plug in x equals 10 and y equals 5, right? That's y. So next step, you simplify this. This is going to be 5, right here, 5 equals 100. 108. All right, 108, because you have 8 times 10 to the second power is 108 or 108. Either way, but this way is better. So now move 100 to the left side. 5 divided by 100, you are able to simplify the fraction. It's going to be 120 equals 8, right? So the equation, write the equation in Vertex form. The equation and the parabola in Vertex form here is equals the equation is y equals 1 over 20x to the second power. All right, that's the answer to this problem. Simple, no? Very easy, step by step. Okay, thank you so much.